The Simpletons' derivation of the quarter squares rule. My motto, plain honesty, simple truth, easy understanding. The joy of finding things out for yourself. 1. From the origin O, draw a line of length A and label it O, A. 2. Extend the line O, A from A by a lesser amount B and label the extended line O, A plus B. 3. Reduce the line O, A from A by the lesser amount B and label the reduced line O, A minus B. 4. Divide both lines O, A plus B and O, A minus B in 2 and label O, A plus B all divided by 2 and O, A minus B all divided by 2. 5. On the lines O, A plus B all divided by 2 and O, A minus B all divided by 2, construct their squares and extend the two free sides of A minus B all divided by 2 all squared to meet the two free sides of A plus B all divided by 2 all squared. 6. Now A plus B minus A minus B equals 2B. Therefore, A plus B all divided by 2 minus A minus B all divided by 2 equals B. Therefore, the difference between the two squares are two rectangles, A minus B divided by 2 all times B and B squared, so that we have 2AB all divided by 2 minus 2B squared all divided by 2 plus B squared equals AB. Hence, A plus B all divided by 2 all squared minus A minus B all divided by 2 all squared equals AB. The quarter squares rule. QED.